Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see Facebook or watch history on your iPhone. For example, if you want to see which of the videos or posts you have recently watched on Facebook, so how you can see all of the watch history on Facebook. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So first of all, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply check for the Facebook app, whether you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, you have to simply open the Facebook. And here you have to simply click on that 3 lines. And in 3 lines, you have to simply go to settings and privacy. And after that, what you can do is you can simply go to settings, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of activity log. So activity log, you have to simply click on that, and here you can simply search for the activity log here, and you will find all of the activity or posts you have simply find. So here you can simply find videos you have recently searched, videos you have watched, and you can also see your search history, and also you will find the groups you have recently searched for. So here you can simply find all of your watch history in this settings. So in this way you can simply find all of that in that Facebook settings. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.